My name's Eric Worley. I've been working in the energy space for roughly 20 years, and undergrad degree in computer engineering technology from the University of Houston, and of course now the master's in engineering technical management from Texas A&M. Sure, yeah. So I was looking for a program that wasn't necessarily a traditional business school program, but had something of a technical element in it. So I searched, Google, did a lot of research, and came across the Texas A&M METM program. So it's been a fun ride. Excellent faculty, impressive faculty. Had a lot of engagement with various students from different industries. So we have folks from aerospace, the automotive industry, the energy industry, and it's been a really kind of engaging process of getting other students' perspectives on how they would tackle a challenge or problem that I may be facing. I think the other thing about the program that was attractive to me is that the asynchronous format allowed me to manage, personal life, a full-time job, while still being able to keep up with my studies after hours, before hours, and on weekends. I think it's had a huge impact on my career. There's no way that I would be as effective and successful in my current role that I'm in. I have an opportunity to work with a lot of technical engineers and technical field personnel, and like I was saying earlier, what I've learned in this program, I've been able to directly apply that to be more effective, not just as me as an individual, but the teams that I'm working with in terms of achieving our goals and objectives. And that has been probably, I would say, the biggest benefit for me as a technical manager. Yeah, I think that's something that's really unique here at Texas A&M, and it's something I probably didn't appreciate enough when I was initially going into the program, is that the majority of the professors and the faculty are either former senior managers and executives from various industries. And so having somebody speak to offline and bounce things against that has that 30 plus years of experience in a particular industry and a very senior level role has been tremendously valuable. I think back about all of the professors that I've engaged with through various classes or even the capstone project, and it's big name organizations like NASA, GM, Boeing, these types of companies that you have senior tenured managers that are either teaching these courses or are supporting the capstone project. There's no doubt about it. It takes a commitment to be successful in the program. But that being said, anyone certainly can do it. I'll give a few examples. So what worked for me was, kind of managing some after and before hours throughout the week, a little bit of weekend time as well. And I was still able to have, some free time on the weekend for family and friends and that sort of thing. Regardless of kind of your personal and professional situation, it definitely can be successful in this program, and you can kind of manage your schedule to still complete everything as necessary. So I always keep my eyes and ears open out for candidates. I would say anybody that either has a technical background in education, such as an engineer, regardless of what discipline you have, or if it's someone that may not be an engineer but has a knack for a technical space or maybe working in a technical space, this is an excellent program to consider. The other kind of demographic that I would encourage to look into this program would be somebody that may be considering a traditional business degree like an MBA. I feel that this program is a hybrid of what you would learn in a traditional MBA program, but also having technical approaches to certain topics that you wouldn't have in the traditional MBA program. So I would encourage anyone that may be working directly in a technical role or have a direct technical background in terms of education would be a great candidate for this. I'd encourage everyone that may be interested to pursue it now, get engaged and jump in, because every day contemplating is one day wasted when you could be making progress.